Welcome to your home sweet home. This is a wonderful property in Pine Ridge Estates. We are sitting on over an acre, 1.12 acres. And as you can see, it's a very open concept, updated home. I'm gonna walk you through so you can look at everything, but I wanna tell you about the updates. And before we get into it, I want to mention this house does have an assumable VA loan at a 3.62% interest rate. So if you're a veteran, you do have the option to assume this loan. So let's walk through. I'll tell you the highlights of the home. Right here we have a nice office space on the front of the home. You can see there's plantation shutters, and these windows were all replaced in this house in 2020. And I'll show you here as we go through with the windows, but they are double pane, double hung, and tilt windows. So lots of functionality with these windows, and they are upgraded for the best quality and the most energy efficiency. Beautiful dining room. Look at this lovely chandelier. There are so many things about this home that I just love, the features that I would want in my home, and so I'm going to point all of that out. We've got this grand kitchen, full appliances with the dishwasher, all stainless steel, everything matches, nice granite countertops, lots of drawers. And then the extras, we've got the pull-out trash can here. We've got pull-out shelves inside of the cabinets, so very easy to access all of your kitchen items and your kitchen needs and keep everything nice and organized and tidy. And that's one of the big things in this house is there's great organization here. This is the interior laundry room, nice pantry right off of the kitchen. And when you come in from the garage with your groceries, you are set to put them away right there. Security system already set in the house. Oversized 2-car garage. You've got this extra space over here with a laundry sink, some storage racks, just some extra space in this garage to work with. The garage was freshly painted. This house is completely updated. The roof is new. The HVAC air conditioner is new. It has the UV filter, so it's been upgraded for air quality. And water heater's new. Everything is really dialed in on this house. So all you have to do is move in. You've got a breakfast nook. It overlooks that beautiful pool out there. That is a heated pool, so you can enjoy it year round. And then this wing is the 2 extra bedrooms and the pool bath. Pool bath has the tub shower combo, beautiful tile, nice door here, French door going out to the pool. You can have your towels and things there, easy access to the pool as well. So when you're having the pool parties, you don't have people running in and out of the house with wet feet and wet bodies. You can go right into the bathroom from the pool. So this is the first of the spare bedrooms. Same with the upgraded new windows there. And look at the closet. So every closet in this house has extra shelving. So it allows you to be much more organized than if you just have the standard one rack in the closet. Third bedroom in the house. And right here is the walk-in closet on this bedroom. And look at all the shelves. So really well thought out for functionality. You're noticing that we have beautiful light fixtures, recessed lighting. Look at this fireplace. This is an electric fireplace. You've got a remote, a click on and a click off, and you've got a beautiful ambiance of a fire. Pocket door here for the primary suite. We have a French door from the primary suite out to the pool. So easy access to your pool. And look at the barn door that separates the bathroom and the closets. You're probably noticing this beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. So that is in the bedroom as well. And in this bedroom we have 2 walk-in closets, and again the extra shelving in the closets for good organization and storage space. Look at this one. We've got the shoe rack down there. We've got a belts rack. So lots of good things in that closet. The bathroom's got the 2 sinks, a good sized linen closet, a water closet so you can shut the door when somebody's on the toilet, and this beautiful snail shower. Very, very well equipped. This is a home that you can move into and just feel really comfortable and very pleasant. So you can see the pool out there. One of the things that's really neat about this property is that there is a ton of privacy. There are private wooded lots all around the house, and you can see the woods in the back, and because it's over an acre, it does go, you know, deep back in the back. The other thing that's great is you have RV parking, and it is set up with the 50 amp service for the motorhome. So we're going to walk on back there so you can see that. And as we walk around, you'll notice how peaceful this community is. This is a nature paradise here in Pine Ridge Estates. It is a bird sanctuary and just really built and designed for people to enjoy nature. The community itself has a community center with a lot of activities. There's shuffleboard and pickleball and tennis and pool tables in the community building. There's a full equestrian center with arenas and a barn for co-op stabling. And there's an RV flying club and flying area. And then also 28 miles of horseback riding and walking trails. So check out this huge parking pad. So you actually could have 2 motorhomes here, or certainly a boat if you've got a boat, but it is a huge area. And you can see how beautifully the land slopes down from the pool. So you have this really neat effect when you're on the pool deck looking out into the woods, and this just a drop off, like, I don't know, it just feels really special. So I'm going to walk you up there. We'll take a look at the pool. And I'll tell you, this location, besides being such a neat, unique, and special community, it is also, we are centrally located with easy access to get to all of the great features of Florida, like the amusement parks. We've got the Orlando amusement parks, and also you can go to Tampa and do all of the neat things, the shopping, the restaurants. There's a lot. And we're just a quick drive from here to Tampa to Orlando, all of the really special places that you want to get to, but you know what, you want to get away from as well when you're done there and come back to this really quiet area where you can just have a peaceful relaxation after you have a fun day. So it's a prime location, lots of amenities, and this is a fantastic home. If this looks like something that you would be interested in, please do not wait to reach out. I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty, and we are RES Luxury Group, bringing you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call at 352-794-1426. Talk to you soon.